Alright guys, you're gonna see right here, this comment right here, got that boy Ferg in trouble. I told him I'd keep the dream alive, keep the YouTube channel up. You see we got the scat now. I'm gonna try to keep the content dropping. Yeah, free my boy Ferg. Don't worry, Dre. Your competition's still here. If it's a chase, we not stopping.
What's good, YouTube? We back finally. It really ain't been that long, but it feel like forever just because I've been working so much, so hard. Been annoying, honestly. So yeah, as you can see, it's a little wet outside, so I'm gonna go burn off some steam. I'm gonna go slide. I might be taking a slight risk by doing it, but you know, we just gonna pray that 12 don't come, and if they do come, that they not on BS. But nah, I ain't gonna be there too long, so I'm gonna just get a couple circuits in, get some practice. I think I'm gonna set a timer actually for like 10 minutes. And then after that 10 minutes is up, I'm gone. 10 minutes might be too long, honestly, but we'll see. I mean, if they do come and they are on BS, whatever, it's more content for y'all. So, but like, we're gonna go and we're gonna see how it goes. I mean, at the end of the day, I'm a content creator. I just wanna get better. It's a little wet out there, but I ain't worried about the camera. I don't know, sliding in wet weather probably looks better anyways. So yeah, we're gonna make this happen. You know I need some gas though. This thing ain't never got no gas in it, so. Well, I talked to gang in the group chat. They were like, don't do it, we can go tonight. I was like, whatever, I'll still go. Like, I low-key need like I need some content. And then, so, you know, I still pull up. And bro, the whole thing is cool. Like, obviously there's people working, but like, I won't really worried about that because like I said, it's in the cut, so I'm not tripping for real. But bro, it was this one dude just sitting there, and it was like weird. Like, he just gave off like this weird vibe. And I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna wait for gang. But see, it be situations like this that like, made me want to turn into a hot boy, just wrap the scat black, get a plate cover, get fake plates, and just slide it anywhere. Intersections, broad daylight, it don't matter. And then just take off. Like, bro, at the end of the day, you can call it slow if you want to. 12 is not catching me if I decide to take off. But they ain't got to. They're gonna be like, blue S&G scat, we got them. Like, it's so, yeah. Just know if I wrap this thing and I go hot boy, we're gonna get some content for y'all. Try to at least make a little short video. I got more bangers on the way. We're gonna be making more trips, hitting more events coming soon. I just been so busy with work, man. Not to give y'all no sob story. I know y'all don't care, but just know, stay tuned, stick with me. I got bangers on the way. I got heaters on the way as promised. You know I ain't never let y'all down before. So yeah, I'll cut y'all back on when I pull up.
You see me, man. They ain't gonna tell y'all niggas I'm really the best slider.
Cap. sliding in the rain went about how you would expect it to go. But boy, don't she sit pretty? Don't she sit pretty? Stay tuned for the next takeover. Guaranteed I'm bending some shit. And we got some legal pits coming up. Oh yeah. Like, I know these legal pits be packed, but if I get in the pit, hey look, me and my brother gonna put it on the show. It's not a competition. But hey, if somebody else get in there with me, sorry in advance. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a like, comment, subscribe if you are new, share it, show me some love. Y'all been showing a lot of love already, man. I'm trying to hit 1K by the end of the year. So yeah, let's get it. I got more bangers on the way, I promise. This was just a little filler video. I got some heaters coming up real soon. It's Ferg. I'm gone.